shake my head at my good fortune as I shake the dust off of my boots. Yesterday I was an orphan. Somehow today I belong to you. Somehow today I belong to you. Don't it make you wanna laugh out loud? Ooh, and shout hallelujah. Oh yeah. If you got joy, go and let it on out. Laugh out loud. I was alive, but I wasn't living, a prisoner of my fear and shame. But when you find you've been forgiven, laughter will rise like a holy kind of praise. So I throw my head back and offer up my thanks. Yeah, don't it make you wanna laugh out loud? Ooh, and shout hallelujah. Oh yeah. If you got joy, go and let it on out. He said, bring to me your heavy heart. Take my hand and we'll go whistling in the dark. Here we go now.